So going ahead to this tutorial, so if you didn't watch the last one, so go back and watch. Even if you didn't want to watch it, you can start here by, so I will restart my kernel. Okay, so all cells are executing. So today we are going to see about group by, etc, etc. So first of all, I will show you how to interchange the column. Okay, first of all I will show you df.head. Because of that we will see. So if I want to interchange two columns, values of two columns, so if I want to change driver age with driver age raw, okay, so for interchanging we have to write the syntax like this. Okay, df of, in this bracket we want, sorry, driver age raw. Okay, and we want another column for the replacement, driver age. Okay, yeah, so we want to initialize this, means like we do in Python, a b is equal to ba, like that. We will copy this same and we will paste here. Just we will interchange the things, control C, control V, and we will interchange this driver age to here. Okay, so we have interchanged the columns. I will execute now this and I will see the data df.head. Yeah, you can see here the first we have driver ages are 20, 40, 33, 19, 21. So it comes in this column, driver age raw, like that. So we have interchanged the data. So this is about interchanging the data. So now what's the question? We want to find, if we have a question, like I will write here the question. Okay, who is speeder, male or female? Okay, मीन्स गाड़ी कौन तेज चलाता है ज़्यादा, स्पीड कौन चलाता है, मेल या फीमेल. हियर वी हैव द डाटा, ड्राइवर जेंडर, मेल एंड फीमेल, एंड हियर वी हैव द वायोलेशन ऑफ स्पीडिंग. लाइक हियर आर द वायोलेशंस, मीन्स जिसका रीज़न मीन्स जिसकी वजह से उन्हें पकड़ा गया है, लाइक दैट. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड द थिंग्स. ओके, सो df of df dot, we want to find this violation speeding violation, sorry, this violation. Okay, so we will check here df dot violation. We will take df dot violation, sorry, I should, okay, we can write this df dot violation, means I will take this, copy paste, control V. If df dot violation is equal to like this speeding, so I am just copy pasting this. If our df dot violation means अगर violation speeding है तो हमें करना क्या है, उनका driver gender लेना है, means we have to take this driver gender. Okay, yeah, so these things are, if df dot violation is speeding and we want to select the driver gender of who are speeding. Okay, so now I will execute this. What will it give? So it is giving that these are the indexes and these are the driver gender. Okay, so we want to here add another function, value counts. Okay, so I will execute this. Yeah, it is giving that there are the males, 32,979 males who are whose violation is speeding, means जिनका violation speeding है, speeding की वजह से जिनको पकड़ा गया है इतने मेल है, means the number of count is this, and there are 15,000 females who are violating the speed. So like that. So if we write here normalize is equal to true, तो करता क्या है, लाइक वी हैव परसेंटेज, तो ये परसेंटेज में देता है लाइक दैट 0.68. इफ यू sum these both then it will give 1. So like that it is giving in percentage format. So this is about the who is speeder, male or female. So if you take another data, like if we want to take df dot, we'll take the driver gender here. Now control C, control V. If our driver gender is male, then we want to check violations for male, means मेल लोगों ने क्या क्या वायोलेशन किया है. वायोलेशन ये भी कॉपी कर लेता हूँ भाई. Yeah. So these are the violations made by male. speeding other equipment. So इसको भी मैं क्या करता हूँ, वैल्यू काउंट्स कर लेता हूँ. So इधर से कॉपी कर, control C, control V, and we will run this shell. Yeah, means these are the counts of, means मेल लोगों ने जो किया है. If you take here female, it will give the data of female. Okay,